Hi everyone. Any kind of insecticide or spray for your garden will cost you less if you buy the concentrate instead of the diluted ready to use bottle. For example, this organic fruit tree spray concentrate can make 20 gallons of spray when we mix it with water, and it costed us $18.99. That is 94 cents per gallon. But if we would buy it in a ready to use bottle, a 32-ounce bottle costs $8.99. That is $35.96 per gallon. That is a huge difference in cost. So save some money and use concentrate instead. We will show you how to dilute the concentrate into a spray bottle and use it on your plants and trees. Before you begin, always wear gloves, fully covered clothing, and eye protection when dealing with sprays. On all concentrate bottles on the back, it has the rate at which we need to mix it. We are spreading for disease control, and the rate is 2 and a quarter to 3 and a half teaspoon for every 32 ounce. 32 ounce is a quarter, and 4 cups make a quarter. So if we choose higher concentration, which is 3.5 teaspoons, we just need to mix that much into 4 cups of water. So here, this spray bottle can hold 3 cups of water. So we just need 3/4 of 3.5 teaspoons, which is 2.625 teaspoons. What we are using here is an organic neem oil concentrate, and you can see it doesn't mix with water. So we are just going to shake it very well, and that would break the oil into tiny droplets. We are ready to spray it on fruit trees. Just shake again before spraying. Once you are done spraying, if you have any more spraying solution left, you can just store it in the same spray bottle and use it in the next couple of months. If you're planning to plant any fruit trees or berries, we have a whole playlist dedicated to it, from planting instructions to pruning and taking care of your home orchard. So do check it out.